So,
Good afternoon, sir.
everyone mark your attendance. So in last class, I am discussing about your various tests which will be performed on your bitumen. So I am discussing many number of tests which will be performed on your bitumen. First test is your penetration test. Next one is your ductility test. Next one is your softening point and flash and fire point test. And next one is your viscosity test of bitumen. Next one is your Marshall stability test which will be performed on bitumen. So I'm discussed all these things. So I want to see you all a video. Just wait. Is it visual? Is it
Yes,
visual?
sir.
Okay. देना सब लोग आवाज आ आवाज आ रहा है?
सर
Yes, sir.
नहीं
ओके ओके
आ रहा सर.
आ रहा है? ओके 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 ठीक है.
आ रहा सर मगर बहुत कम है.
ओके ओके ओके
Today, hello student. Today we are going to conduct an experiment called abrasion test on coarse aggregate, generally carried out by three methods: Los Angeles, Devil abrasion, and Dory abrasion.
So if you remember, I think in your last theory class, I also discussed a question which will be asked in this year in your engineering service examination. That question is abrasion test is conduct to check, and there's four options given for that question. So that particular question. So you mark that the abrasion test is used for your hardness test. So basically, this is your level abrasion testing machine. This is not your Los Angeles abrasion testing machine. This apparatus is present in your transportation laboratory. So you all listen carefully that how we perform our abrasion test, because each and every test is important for your many examinations. So I think this is a video of 24 minutes. In this 24-minute video, you feel or you know how we perform our Los Angeles or double abrasion or double attrition testing machine. But you remember, this machine is your double attrition testing machine. This is not your Los Angeles abrasion testing machine. This is your double ultrasound testing machine, which will be available in your transportation lab. So is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see. आवाज आ रहा था सबको?
Yes, sir. आ रहा.
This test, Los Angeles is more commonly used, but today we perform this experiment using the Devil apparatus testing machine. According to IS code 2386 part 4, this experiment.
So during discussion of this test, I also discussed that this test is performed under IS 2386 part 4. So you remember this thing also, because in many examinations this thing is also asked, that double abrasion or your abrasion testing machine is performed as per IS 2380, 2382, 2384, 2386. So you remember the IS code is 2386. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Widely applicable to the road surface, used to resist the wearing and hardness effect on the road surface. At first see the all apparatus. Set of sieve for grade C, 25 millimeter sieve, 20 millimeter sieve, and this is 12.5 millimeter sieve. This sieve is also used. This is 1.7 millimeter sieve.
So you remember that we use different sieve for conducting our abrasion testing on aggregate. So madam say that this sieve is of 25 mm size, this sieve is of 20 mm size, this sieve is of 12.5 mm size. So basically we use different sieve size, and according to the sieve size we arrange all the sieves in our descending order. So also madam separate a sieve, that sieve number is 1.7 mm. So you listen carefully how we perform this test.
And this is our Devil abrasion testing machine.
So here you see, this is your written here is double abrasion testing machine. So this is your double abrasion testing machine. So you remember this. Los Angeles machine. These are the cylindrical molds, and this machine is operated through your electricity. So here you see insulators is provided. Here we first made the aggregate.
This is our balance.
This is our weighing balance.
Set of sieve for grade C, we are used 20 passing 20 mm sieve and written on 12.5 mm sieve, and passing 25 mm sieve and written on 20 mm sieve. Here we have using grade C sample coarse aggregate. Here total 5 type of grading are there: A, B, C, D, E. Grading A, sieve are used passing through 20 mm and written on 12.5 mm, passing through 25 mm and written on 20 mm, passing 40 mm and written on 25, passing 50 mm and written on 40 mm. Here see the table. This is our table. We are used in.
So here you see this is the table. Here we have different grading A, B, C, D, E, and according to grading of aggregate for your double abrasion testing machine is given. In that table you see passing ISC also given in mm, retain ISC also given in mm, and also percentage of sample is given in that particular column of your table. So you all see.
Deval ablation test, grading A, passing IS sieve is here and written sieve IS sieve is here. So according to IS code 2386 part 4, weight of sample should be taken 5000 gram for grade C. These sample are air dried samples. Now we will sieve the sample with sieve saver machine.
So here you see we arrange our sieve in this sieve shaker machine and give the we start the sieve shaker machine. Sample should be taken 5000 gram for grade C in the range 2.4 to 2.8 specific gravity of our aggregate. This is our sample which is passing 25 millimeter sieve and written on 20 millimeter sieve. It should be 2500 gram, and this is passing through 20 mm sieve and written on 12.5 mm sieve. It is also taken 2500 gram. This is our tank. We will take 2500 gram in this sieve. Measure the weight.
measure the weight. It is exact 2.50 gram. Now measure the weight. This is a Devil abrasion testing machine. It consists of two number of cylindrical mold by the cast iron and provide with iron cover at the top, and diameter of the cylinder is inside diameter is 20 centimeter, and length of this cylinder is 34 centimeter, and cylindrical makes an angle of 30 degree with the axis of the rotation meter. This is our total 6 number of steel.
Can anyone say how many number of the steel ball be required? तो बता सकते हो कितना नंबर ऑफ स्टील बॉल हम लोग यूज करते हैं?
डिपेंड करता है सर ग्रेड ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट,
इस पे डिपेंड करता है
एग्रीगेट का ग्रेड.
Okay. So basically here madam is saying that we use 6 number of aggregate, and also madam is saying that this saying the dimension of your cylinder, and also she is saying that this cylinder is fitted to an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal or with the axis of rotation. So here you see this cylinder is not perfectly 90 degree. This is 30 degree. That of
two number of cylindrical.
We have 2 number of cylinder. This one cylinder, this another
by
cylinder.
the cast iron
Made
and
of
provide
cast
with iron cover at the top, and diameter of the cylinder is inside diameter is 20 centimeter, and
So this diameter, madam saying inside diameter is 20 centimeter. That means this diameter is 20 centimeter. This is the thickness part. So basically this is the thickness part. Here to here, this is the thickness part of our cylinder. This is our outside diameter. So this inside diameter is 20 centimeter.
Length of this cylinder is 34 centimeter.
And if you know the length is 34 centimeter, diameter is your 20 centimeter, then you find the volume of your cylinder, because for finding volume of cylinder you require pi r square h. So if the diameter is known, then radius is known, so you know all the things. So in many examination it may also ask that what is the volume of your cylinder used in double abrasion testing machine. So you know each and every basic aspects of your all the things, because you feel in your road margin I am just telling this is your bus bay, this is your cycle track, this is your parking lane, this is your driveway, this is your frontage road. So also if you see in this year in ESC examination a question asked from your frontage road. So ESC do not leave anything, they ask each and everything for your examination, not ESC. If you focus on any I think government exam like your SSC, JEE or your state PSC, that means Jharkhand Public Service Commission or Bihar Public Service Commission or any other commission, then they ask each and everything from any topic of your transportation or any topic of your any subject. So if you study anything, then you pay attention on each and every aspect of that thing. So you just see here.
And cylindrical makes an angle of 30 degree with the axis of the rotation.
So here madam saying 30 degree with the
This
axis
is
of
our
rotation.
total 6 number of steel ball. And this weight is weight of this steel ball is 390 to 445 gram. Now go to the experiment. We will take the sample and place in the cylindrical mold. Place the ball also in the cylindrical mold. Total number of ball is 6. Now cover the cylindrical mold and tight the screw. And now on the switch. The machine will rotate at the speed of 30 to 33 RPM and allow it 1000 revolutions.
Can anyone say how many revolution here we take? Or here we give?
सर
How?
500 से 1000 तक.
ओके, सो यू आर सेइंग कि सर 500 to 1000 रिवॉल्यूशन देना है. तो यहाँ पे ये खुद फील कर रहे हो कि ये हमारा टेस्ट जो है 30 से 33 मतलब 30 to 33 आरपीएम देना है. डेट मीन्स रोटेशन पर मिनट हमको देना है. अब हमको 500 से लेके 1000 के बीच में देना है. इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड अपॉन द योर ग्रेड ऑफ एग्रीगेट. सो हियर मैडम इज सेइंग दैट हियर we give 1000 revolution. So if you see here our this reading only showing here it is showing I think as 230 or 240. So we continue our test.
Mission is complete and stop the mission.
So here because it takes so much time, because if we have to give 1000 revolution and if the rotation per minute or revolution per minute is 30, then we have to give 30 minutes to this machine to complete this test. So just we speed up this test and we try to complete that whole evolution within short time in this video. But in actual test, we give that sufficient time for our testing of or for checking aberration testing of our aggregate. Here we stop the machine. Now collect the sample.
Loose the screw.
Using the
And
screw or
collect
nuts.
the sample.
So here you see just below this cylindrical mold, a pan is placed. So just if we remove this nut and bolt, the sample is come down. So for collecting that sample, we just put the pen in this direction. Someone is saying, sir, actually in original position, this cylindrical mold is at angle of 30 degree. So can it not possible that just if we permit, or here this is our cylindrical mold. So this is basically our cylindrical mold. So here after completing the test, this is the cover. This is the cover of our cylindrical mold. So just we lose the nut and bolt from this direction. Just we lose nut and bolt from this direction. And can it not possible that we correct the sample here? So it is also possible that if you collect the sample from this orientation of cylinder, then all the samples or all the aggregates will not collected, because some of the aggregates will stick on the surface of this mold. So some of the aggregate will stick on this surface. So here some of the aggregates will sticking. Here some of the aggregates will be sticking. Here some of the aggregates will be sticking. So it is possible that the sample which we collect after test is inadequate or some error will be involved, because some of the aggregate after testing will also possible that left in this container. But when we orient this cylinder like this, then all the samples will flow down through the force of gravity, and also during sudden opening of these screws, automatically all the aggregates will be fall down. And if some aggregate will stick on the surface, we place our hand in this mold. We place our hand and try to remove all the aggregates from this sample. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We just loosen all the screws because it is here 3 screw is fitted. Also from this sample, all the steel balls will be fall down. Okay. So this is the complete sample after the testing. Here you see, the madam will remove all the aggregate going to stick on the surface of cylindrical mold. All the spatula.
Now pass the sample 1.7 mm tube.
Here we start sieving the complete sample.
Measure the sample written on 1.7 mm sieve. Weight is 4.86 kg. Now come to the observation sheet. Grade of the material C. Number of sphere used 6. Weight of charge 2500 plus minus 10 gram. Size of aggregate.
So here if you see, madam is saying that weight of charge is 2500. How she get this weight of charge? Can anyone say what is the weight of charge here showing? Madam is saying here we use number of sphere as 6. So grade of material C used is C grade, number of sphere used is 6, and weight of charge is equal to 2500 plus minus 10 gram. So how she say that the weight of charge is 2500 plus minus 10 gram? Can anyone say how we get weight of charge? तो बताओगे?
सर नहीं पता सर।
ओके, देखो कुछ नहीं है, यहीं पे फंस गए तुम लोग। इतना बता भी दिए, सब कुछ खत्म भी हो गया तुम्हारा टेस्ट, और यहाँ पे जाके अटक गए सब लोग। वेट ऑफ चार्ज और कुछ नहीं, ये दूसरा नाम है तुम्हारे वेट ऑफ स्फीयर का। So basically I am saying that the weight of charge and weight of sphere is 390 to 4